Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. For today's video, as you can read sa title, isi-share ko naman sa inyo ang aking top 10 cafes in Intramuros. That's right, this is going to be a showdown ng mga coffee places sa Old Walled City. Bukod kasi sa mga kainan, madami na din ngayon na nagsulputan ng mga coffee place sa loob ng Walled City, serving really good coffee para sa mga coffee addicts. Bali, ang naging criteria ko sa top 10 list na ito ay yung quality ng coffee, of course, the ambience of the place, the overall service, at syempre, yung value for money. Again, this is all based from our personal experience and preferences. So, wag na natin ito patagalin. Here is my top 10 cafes in Intramuros. At number 10, Ogen's Coffee. You will find this cafe just beside the Manila Cathedral, at the corner of Beaterio Street and Cabildo. Simple lang itong coffee place na ito. They have a small cafe sa first floor ng building, pero surprisingly, they also have a spot sa tuktok ng building with a vista of the neighboring Manila Cathedral. So, para siyang katulad ng The Cathedral Cafe na kitang-kita yung building ng Manila Cathedral. I only got to try their coffee. I ordered iced Americano and it was good naman. They also have pastries and desserts, kaya lang hindi ko na natry. But looks promising din naman. Sakto lang din yung presyo ng kape dito. At number 9, Belfry Cafe. This cafe is located within the premises of Manila Cathedral, specifically sa site ng dating bell tower ng simbahan. Hence, it is called Belfry Cafe. If you will dine here, you'll be able to drink your coffee sa ilalim mismo ng bells. Pero meron din naman silang mga alfresco dining. I was able to try their Americano coffee and it was good. They also have cakes and pasta din. Price is within the standard rate din naman ng mga coffee shop around the place. So around 120 to 180 pesos. At number 8, Royal Cafe. Bago lang itong Royal Cafe, makikita nyo sila sa loob ng Plaza San Luis Complex. They serve good coffee na may sipa at tapang na tunay. What I like about this coffee place is that they promote local artists. Meron kasi silang munting exhibition ng mga art pieces sa loob. I am not sure though if it is for sale. Price of their coffee is within the standard rate then. At number 7, Cold Treats. They actually have two branches here in Intramuros. One is in Plaza San Luis Complex and the other is along the walls sa tapat ng Lyceum. Ang nakainan kong branch ay itong nasa Plaza San Luis. Just like any other cafes within Plaza San Luis, the vibe here is very Spanish colonial period. I only got to try their iced coffee, which is good din, but I think they specialize in dessert coolers like mango graham, mango shake, and mango ube. I'll probably try that next time. At number 6, Chocolata Churros Cafe. As their name suggests, this cafe specializes in chocolate churros. Ito yung fried pastry na usually sinasawsaw sa chocolate dip. I tried this and their Americano coffee and it was good also. Meron din silang other cakes and pastries kaya lang hindi ko na nasubukan. Pero yung churros and yung Americano coffee, it was good. You can find them sa ibaba ng Bayleaf Hotel sa corner ng Victoria Street and Moralia. At number 5, Cafe Intramuros. This cafe is located also within the Plaza San Luis Complex. Sila yung nasa pinaka-corner. Maganda yung lugar nila, very Instagrammable. Pwede kang mag-chill habang sinisilip mo yung mga dumadaang kalesa sa labas. They have coffee, milk tea, cakes, pasta, and even meals like caldereta and sisig. I've only tried their coffee though, and it was really good. Na-try ko din yung milk tea nila and it is also good. Price is also within the same range as other cafes around the place. At number 4, In Cafe. Itong sumunod na cafe sa ating list ay medyo out of the way sa mga usual spots na pinupuntahan sa Intramuros. In Cafe actually stands for Intramuros Cafe. Makikita sila sa Santa Potenciana Street malapit sa Magallanes. Actually, nakita ko lang sila sa Google Map and mataas naman yung rating so pinuntahan ko na rin. Maliit lang yung location nila but they serve really good coffee. Sinubukan ko yung Spanish latte nila and it was really good. Sakto yung timpla at tapang ng kape. Medyo different din yung system nila of placing order kaya medyo remarkable sila for me. Price is also within the range ng mga kape sa paligid. Before I reveal my top 3 cafes in Intramuros, let me invite you to please subscribe to my channel. Help me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. Sobrang maa-appreciate ko din if you will like this video and share it to your friends. At number 3, we got Cathedral Food Avenue. You can find them sa kanto ng Beaterio and Cabildo Street, very near sa Manila Cathedral. They are a restaurant actually, but I included them here because of the good coffee they serve. Spanish latte yung in-order ko from them and it was really good. Sakto lang yung place nila pero very chill yung vibe sa loob and they have friendly staff. Masarap din yung food nila dito although nasa mid-range na yung presyo. At the second spot, we got Batala Bar. Ito talaga yung isa sa mga favorite food places ko sa loob ng Intramuros. Actually, nasa top 10 restaurants ko din ito. And since they also serve good coffee and other refreshing drinks, sinama ko din sila dito sa top 10 cafe list. You will find them sa Plaza San Luis Complex sa tapat ng San Agustin Church. Yung mga meals nila dito ay fusion ng Western and Filipino cuisine. Try their meals na creatively reinvented and their drinks na legit na masarap and refreshing din. Meron din silang craft beer na sila mismo ang nag-brew. Medyo pricey nga lang yung mga meals and drinks dito but I think it is worth it naman dahil sa quality ng food and sa service that you will get. Very Instagrammable din yung location nila and they also feature works of local artists kaya panalo talaga dito. Placing at number 1 in our top 10 list ay itong Papa Cafe. This cafe is also new in Intramuros. You can find them sa loob ng Fort Santiago. So you will have to pay entrance fee muna with them before you can access Papa Cafe. The reason why they got the top spot in this list is because of their quality coffee, served in unique combinations na hindi mo maiisip. Sino mag-aakala na okay palang combination ng coffee at taho, or coffee na may gulaman, or coffee na bibingka flavor? Ang natry ko pa lang ay yung black gulaman coffee and yung bibingka coffee nila. I loved how the combinations turned out. Meron din silang mga cake and pastry pero hindi ko pa natry. I think masarap din naman yun. Sakto lang din yung presyo ng mga kape dito. I highly recommend this place. Wag na wag niyong palalampasin pag pumasok kayo sa Fort Santiago. So there, that is my top 10 cafes in Intramuros. Kung may masasuggest kayo na iba pang mga coffee place to try, comment nyo lang below para matry ko din. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.